Alright guys, I'm back in the AOMC showroom again, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at our new team graphics. These AOMC graphics by Throttle Syndicate are on our website. So they're on there for $199. They're completely customizable, obviously. See, this one is the headlight front graphic, but we can do that in the number plate as well. Really a fan of this gray. You can change the fonts for the numbers. It's got enough logos on it to look good and a little bit racy, but not enough to where it looks too busy and jumbled. Right now it's sitting on a 2021 250 SXF. So yeah, you can find these at www.aomc.mx. and you can order them right on there. And if you're interested in supporting the channel at all, we might be able to even get some MX Guru logos on this thing or something, who knows. So but it is a sharp looking kit for the new generation KTMs. And also anything else you guys need, Japanese bike, anything can usually be found on our website. And if it's not on there, you can get with me directly, shoot me a message on Facebook, and we'll figure it out. We'll get it on the website and get it ordered for you. $100 gets you free shipping. So yeah, thanks for your all support. See you in the next one.